I got a few wrinkly, but still beautiful apples, so we're gonna make an extra beautiful apple tart. You wanna peel, core, and slice your apples, but I'm gonna use this little fancy contraption, it's probably from the 1400s or something, to peel mine. Stick the apple in, and turn. Oops. This way I don't have to slice, peel, or core. And repeat. Perfectly sliced apples. Throw them all into a bowl. A little bit of lemon zest. Juice of half a lemon. This will help it stop browning too. A third cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. That's it for the filling. Just gently toss it up. Let these marinate, and we're gonna make a crust. For the crust, in a bowl, melt 10 tablespoons. I'm just gonna do 8 tablespoons of butter, it's close enough. Add 1 1/3 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, I always do a little bit less, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and now we just mix it all together. Press your dough into a pie tin. I feel like this is not enough dough for my pie tin, but I'm gonna trust the process. We are getting there. We have coverage, and I think that's the most important thing. If you don't care, just dump them all in. They'll taste great, but I'm gonna make it pretty. What you do is you stack a few together like this, then you place them upright. I think I'm gonna need another apple. It's still not quite full. I don't know if it's me, my apples, or my tart pan, but I'm gonna spread them out a little bit. Actually, I think it's gonna be the P word. I don't wanna jinx it, but perfect. Finally, we're gonna throw on a few knobs of butter and a little sprinkle of granulated sugar. Bake 350 for about an hour. It's also recommended to bake this on a baking sheet just in case anything drips. Do you ever just feel like eating a lemon? No? Let it fully cool. I do think it needs a little something, so I'm brushing on strawberry rhubarb jam to make it shine. Dun, 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 dun. It really just needs a scoop of ice cream, and that's it.